Hey, what's up YouTube? It's my Project 7.3. It's a 99 f350 powerstroke. Today we're doing the easiest and quickest, most appealing mods I think you can do for under $200. Today we're replacing the grill. Literally all you have is 4 screws up top. Take them out behind here. There's tabs on the bottom that just push in and out. Literally all you do is take the 4 bolts up top, grab it, give it a good pull, and it'll pop right off. You set that down. You grab your new one. Just a standard mesh grill from Amazon. I like the quality though. It's packaged very well. Sorry for the bad camera here, but I'm doing this all myself with one hand. It's kind of hard to do, but literally you just put that in. You'll screw your screws across the top, push the tabs in across the bottom, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And later on we will be doing the air intake grid heater. I'll have that video coming soon.